Kembali pibro sa season 4 akene ke video kemta ngan pentip sepi yaki khobor lekam apo Meghalaya balapanmi daka Meghalaya Board of School Education Empos teka khot online application yaki post lower division assistant com operator LDA teka tarik ban submit yaki application form kin pedeng hado ka apply tarik banai basipau arajar arpusau yakin ki post bapila ban apply kadai bachelor degree yaki kerteng jongki post kalau war division assistant com computer operator number of post arpusau tuli ki post baro UR atli kasijente sipau tuli ki post garo sipau tuli OST SC iway PWD iway teka age limit kadai kat parahado live first name bat ka per age limit yaki ST kategori kadai hado sans name bapiya ban apply ka salary kadai arpun 2000 sanspa hado ka 2000 sauspa nang ta ka essential qualification bachelor degree in arts science commerce or its equivalent from any recognized university with knowledge in a computer pidai mapende beka bachelor degree hakano kono ka stream arts science lane commerce papia ban apply ya kini ki post pat pidai rubandon ya ka jingtip sapang ki computer tekum no ban apply ya kini ki post lower division assistant. Interest candidate and eligible candidate may submit their application online through the Embus official website www.embus.in. Teka last date hado apply tarik Oktober arajar arpusau. Offline submission of application process will not be accepted. Tetakan magbha ki ba submit offline kin pedeng yaki application form. Nang taka application fee kandai news pa sanpeu yaki general candidate but sans pa yaki ST kategori ban sew yaki application fee kajing sew kandai online payment only teki selection procedure pat banikong kandon ka preliminary test ki subject kadai general English san phumak but general awareness but aptitude sispa mak di yaki question kandai ki objective type but kin phato haka OMR sheet banto yaka exam nangta typing speed computer skill knowledge composition letter writing formal semi-formal drafting of official letter preparation of PowerPoint typing speed test use of spreadsheet Microsoft Excel and editing in Microsoft practical written test will be conducted on desktop only. No request for handwritten answer script will be entertained but ka interview those candidates who have been declared past successful in the practical computer will be called for the interview. Tetang kibala yaka practical lane komputer ken khot haka interview. Before the personal interview, the original document and application of the candidate will be scrutinized. Te pihak ban penbiang yaki dokumen bat yaka application haka por ban lek haka personal interview. Te tang kini kicing mentip haka badai bat kini ki post kebelasibon